Sensibility and practicality define the 2014 Honda Odyssey. Under the hood, you'll find a 6-cylinder engine with more than 230 horsepower. And for added security, dynamic stability control supplements the drivetrain. Top features include a split folding rear seat, delay-off headlights, one-touch window functionality, a built-in garage door transmitter, rear wipers, and remote keyless entry. Features such as automatic climate control and leather upholstery prove that economical transportation does not need to be sparsely equipped. Storage solutions are integrated throughout the interior, demonstrating thoughtful attention to detail. Premium sound drives 7 speakers, providing you and your passengers a sensational audio experience. Honda ensures the safety and security of its passengers with equipment such as dual front impact airbags with occupant sensing airbag, brake assist, and 4-wheel disc brakes with ABS. Stop by our dealership or give us a call for more information.